Wix AI Site-Chat, the future of customer engagement. Welcome to the future of website communication. Meet Wix AI Site-Chat, your smart assistant that enhances customer interaction, boosts engagement, and helps grow your business 24/7. In this video, we'll explore what Wix AI Site-Chat is, how it works, and why it's a game changer for your website. Let's dive in. What is Wix AI Site-Chat? Wix AI Site-Chat is an AI-powered chat assistant designed to improve customer experience. It answers visitor questions, provides instant support, and even helps guide users through your site. Imagine having a virtual assistant that's always available to engage with your customers without needing human intervention. Instant responses. AI-powered chat replies ensure visitors get fast and relevant answers. Personalized assistance adapts to user questions and provides tailored responses. Lead generation collects visitor information and helps convert them into customers. Seamless integration works effortlessly with Wix's existing tools and apps. 24/7 availability. Your website never sleeps and neither does your AI assistant. How to enable Wix AI Site-Chat? Setting up Wix AI Site-Chat is super easy. Here's how. Go to your Wix dashboard. Click on Site and App. Select AI Site-Chat. Customize the chat settings to fit your brand. Enable it and start engaging with visitors instantly. Why you need Wix AI Site-Chat? Side-by-side comparison, a website with AI chat versus one without it. Without AI chat, slow responses, frustrated visitors, missed opportunities. With Wix AI Site-Chat, instant help, happy customers, and higher conversions. Businesses that use AI-powered chat assistants increase customer engagement by up to 40%. Why not let AI do the heavy lifting while you focus on growing your brand? Ready to revolutionize your website's customer support? Enable Wix AI Site-Chat today and take your online business to the next level.